AI is completely reshaping what it takes to start an online business in 2026. Tasks that used to take days can now be done in minutes, and in many cases, they can run almost entirely on autopilot. In this guide, I'll walk you through 7 practical ways people are using AI to generate income from scratch, along with the tools and workflows that make it possible. Let's start with the first method, selling AI-generated digital products. Think about things like templates, planners, checklists, or workbook simple products people regularly buy online. What makes this approach powerful is its simplicity. You create the product once, and it can sell indefinitely. There's no inventory, no shipping, and minimal customer support. For example, if you wanted to create a social media content planner, you could spend hours designing it manually, or you could use AI to generate a polished professional version in minutes. Digital products have extremely high margins because they cost nothing to reproduce. What used to take 5 hours might now take 30 minutes. Once it's ready, you list it, optimize it for search, and let it sell in the background. Some people build entire libraries of these products and turn them into passive income streams. The second method is building AI-powered websites for local businesses. Many small businesses still have outdated websites. They know it, but traditional web design can be expensive and slow. With AI website builders, you can recreate a modern, professional site in under 20 minutes. Here's the workflow. Find a business with a weak website. Take their existing content, plug it into an AI builder, and generate a clean redesign. Then show it to them. This approach works because you're showing value up front. You can start charging a few $100s per site and increase your rates as your portfolio grows. The third method is AI-assisted social media management. Small businesses need consistent content but don't have the time or team to manage it. That's where you come in, but instead of doing everything manually, you let AI handle most of the workload. AI can generate captions, design graphics, schedule posts, and even help respond to comments. Your role becomes more about strategy and oversight. Instead of spending 20 hours per client, you might only spend 2 to 3. This means you can manage multiple clients at once, turning it into a scalable monthly income stream. Next up is AI voice agents for customer support. Businesses lose money every time a call goes unanswered or a customer is left waiting. AI voice systems can solve this by handling calls 24/7. You can build simple voice agents that answer questions, provide information, and even book appointments. The setup involves feeding the system business details and configuring how it responds. A great way to sell this is by creating a demo for a business and letting them test it themselves. Once they see it working, the value becomes obvious. You can charge upfront for setup and ongoing monthly fees for maintenance and improvements. The fifth method is AI tools audits for businesses. Right now, business owners know they should be using AI, but most are open. There are too many tools and not enough time to figure out what's actually useful. This is where you step in, you talk to the business owner, identify their biggest time-wasting tasks, and then recommend a handful of AI tools that solve those exact problems. You package it into a simple, clear report. You're not building anything, you're selling clarity and direction. Beginners can start charging a few $100s per audit and increase pricing as they gain experience. The sixth method is AI video repurposing. Content creators and businesses are producing long-form content like podcasts, webinars, and videos, but they often don't have time to turn that into short-form clips. Your job is to take that long content and use AI to extract the most engaging moments, add captions, and format them for platforms like short-form video feeds. One long video can turn into 10 to 15 clips. That means you're multiplying their content output without requiring them to create anything new. This works well as a monthly service, where you consistently deliver batches of ready-to-post clips. Finally, the key idea behind all of these methods is leverage. AI isn't just making things faster, it's allowing one person to do the work of an entire team. Whether you're creating products, offering services, or building systems, the opportunity comes from combining simple ideas with powerful tools. So the real question is, which of these feels most realistic for you to start with?